That's the famous Yožek. The famous Yožek. It's coming to the daily vlog, which the daily vlog today will be in the form of driving lesson number whatever, and that's the famous Yožek. Famous Yožek, that is the key. So now the famous Yožek, we're gonna show you starting driving from the beginning to the end. All right, that's the famous Yožek here. And today it is March 16th, I believe, or 17th, right? 2022. The famous Yožek is struggling with opening the car. All right. Famous Yožek is struggling with the... All right, thank you, famous Yožek. Oh, look at what I bought yesterday. All right.
Finally. What about that part?
Yeah, I did not have the funds because I was not in good standing yesterday. My bank account indicated minus $2-3, but today I'm again rich. My bank account indicated like plus $4 today. So now, famous Yožek, the weather today, what is the date today? Do you remember the date?
Yeah.
What is it? 17, 18, 19, 23?
I don't remember. It's Thursday. I believe it's 17th. We can double check. You know,
double check.
Yeah, it's 17th. I was right.
All right. So now, March 17, 2022, the famous Yožek is again in the scene, doing the daily vlog and the daily driving. However, the weather is so nasty outside, guys. You can look, and it's gonna be a whole day of raining.
Yeah, all the way until evening.
It's a rainy day. It's a rainy day.
It's raining, man.
Oh, it's raining, man. Oh, I'm so hallelujah. It's a raining, man.
I like this song.
Yeah, it's a beautiful song for women that are single and lonely and desperate, and they go.
Not necessarily.
And they go shop. That was, you guys did not hear that. That was a kind of a sense of humor. That was a sense of humor that you should not have allow your woman to even exercise. But if you are a dumb, you know, you should not hear it at all. That's the best.
How can you stop me?
No, you cannot stop her. You cannot do. You will not just hear it. Okay, pretend it didn't happen. You know, just turn around, go your way. All right. So that is a good manly advice to a man. All right. I love West Side Market. How I got there? Where? Oh yeah, I was there yesterday in this thing. So now, because it is a nasty weather, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna be doing Ubering all day long. I'm gonna make tons of money with my Uber job, and I will enjoy the famous Yožek here. Famous Yožek. How you feel about your driving in bad weather condition? All right, so now we're gonna experience.
I'm not a big fan, to be honest, but we've done it before, and
so now let's talk about driving under not so good weather condition, and give them some tips. Like a new driver, give them some tips.
I don't think I'm entitled to give people tips at this stage of my driving career.
Why not? I don't
know. I just try to drive very, like, cautiously, and
That's
I
right.
slow down even more than I do.
That is a good tip to give even to experienced drivers, you know, because the experienced drivers cannot, you know, he's too bold, too in a rush, and that's why the accident happens. I believe that the accidents happened not with the new drivers, but with the experienced drivers, you know, because they are not...
Because they don't care, right?
Not they don't care, they kind of automated the process of driving, and now they don't pay full attention. But when you're a new driver, your full attention is on the road, is on the cars, is everywhere. And now, you know, the bad weather, the nasty, the low visibility, you know, it will make it even more difficult for the famous Yožek to drive, you know, and we're gonna show you how this will be done. And we have today our early morning. What is my choice today? Let's discuss this. My choice. What is my choice today?
I believe you have a peach tranquility tea.
All right, this
Herbal
is a
tea.
peach, like
No
peach
caffeine.
tranquility. It is a very good thing, I can tell you guys. If you switch from coffee to that, you will greatly benefit. Okay, you may even quit the cigarettes. All right, it's like I peed inside. I
Yeah.
pee in the cup. The Uber driver pee in the cup. Technology. Pee in the cup technology. Now we have a green tranquility tea. All right. Now there's only one problem with these cups. You know, when the liquid inside is so hot, sometimes sometimes they kind of, bend and they don't close, and then you can pour yourself, and then you can sue McDonald's for the hot coffee. You guys go check that story. A guy suing McDonald's because he poured himself.
It was a lady.
No, it was a guy, and he poured the coffee on his testicles.
Oh,
That's another
there
case.
was a lady and a guy. Okay, so
Famous Yožik, let's go.
actually we have to go back first, but there's a car. Oh, I have enough space to.
Yes, it is correct. Now we are in this predicament here. A maneuver has to be done. How the Famous Yožik will get out of this spot? Right? How? How far is the car behind you? Okay, let's see. We have this camera
Oh,
here.
it's quite
Fantastic.
far.
It's far, far away. So far, far away.
So we can go back. Don't
In a
block it.
galaxy far, far away, Darth Lord Vader is coming into the scene. The young Padawan, Luke Skywalker.
Did you fix your brake?
I did not fix my brakes, so now we have extra. I could not fix the brakes because these people yesterday, the reality is that I was
Can I go? Yeah.
I hope so. The reality is that I was so tired that I decided not to fix my brakes yesterday, which is not good. But it will be done today.
Do you see any cars?
Well, no, but be careful.
Why?
I don't know.
Why if I release the brake, nothing happens?
Because the car is not on. The engine is not on. It is just the battery is on, and now you're running on battery all these devices, right?
Oh, yes. No. What do I do?
Turn off the. All right. All right. The problem was you cannot start the vehicle when you are in drive.
Because I see that the pedal is, stuck.
No, because you focused your attention on the pedal without noticing that the engine was
Okay,
not
I
even
can go,
working.
right?
Yeah, you can go. You can go, Famous Yožik. Now we're gonna show you that maneuver from the outside. The Famous Yožik is, of course, doing it. All right, fantastic. That was a smooth. The Famous Yožik is doing very good maneuvers in this parking and parallel parking. She's doing very well. We have been driving lessons for like a month, not more a month, right? Like how many days? How many driving lessons we have?
A month.
A month,
Maybe
yeah.
a little more.
So now the Famous Yožik
I can
is.
still go
Stop!
at-
Stop! There is a red light. Huh? You have to stop. Yeah, you have to see. You have to see. I'm sorry, I took your attention off the road with the conversation. It's a nasty weather.
I'm staying too close to this side, right?
No, you are doing okay. It depends on what you want to do. You want to go left or you want to go right?
Of course I want to go left.
Okay, so you're gonna stay in where you are. Famous Yožik will just do like a little U kind of turn. All right. Oh wow, this is so good. Okay, fantastic. Now we have like the super wide angle, so we can see everything.
Actually, it was yellow when I was turning. So
I know,
was
but-
supposed to finish the turn, but I'm a new driver and I'll
No,
be
you
very
cannot
slow.
go on yellow. That is a
No,
rule.
but I was already in the.
It doesn't matter. You should not go on yellow, whatever it takes,
But
you
you
know.
always do.
I always do.
Yeah.
I do on yellow. Wow, I didn't know that. That's why I have a red light camera like 2 days ago. Red light camera ticket for $150.
How do you see this light from like?
How do you see it?
Have to.
It's a very big light.
Okay.
Okay, now it's obviously green. Now we do the maneuver. Famous Jožek is doing it. All right.
People are beeping.
People are beeping and they are just morons. Okay, the
A
moronic
little bit.
honkers. They
Actually,
honk,
my
honk.
glass is so foggy I can't see anything.
Okay, now there is a thing here. I'm gonna do it for you. We're gonna turn on the heat, and it has to be.
Oh, it's even worse.
It has to be. Wait, you just have to wait a few seconds, okay?
Okay.
It has to be like very high temperature of the thing, and then we have to put it on that here over there. All right. This is how.
Okay, this time I want to go straight to make
Yes.
our circle.
This is how you go. The defroster you put here on the heat, and you
You'll show me later.
boost and like this. And now this will take off this nasty fog, which on this car it's particularly not good handling the visibility. This car has no good visibility. It's a nice car for the passengers, like a taxi, like a nice taxi, but it's not very good for the driver. It's not the best visibility.
What is he doing?
He is having not paying attention for the vehicles. All right.